Today I am reviewing this phone mount. It is a round magnet mount. It was sent to me to review, and I thank them for that. You can see here is the magnet mount right there. Has a cool carbon fiber look on the outside. Red circle here. All plastic. You can see it works. You have the ring or a MagSafe phone or case. Nice. Oh, that's a strong magnet. It also, if you don't have the ring, comes with two rings here that are very nice. Comes with this stick-on mount. Has a nice little silver streak here, which matches some of the stuff in my Porsche. And has this mount if you wanted to mount it somewhere. Then you mount this to the base because it's very sticky, or it could be window mounted, which is what I'm going to do. Put it right about here. So here it is all installed. You can see that silver matches the silver outside. Got this red ring right here to match my red interior. You can click it out. I can put it away when I'm not using my phone, and then stays nice and in there, very solidly mounted. And then when I want to mount a phone, I can pull it out here. It's very out of the way. You can see magnet mount here. Very easy to get to everything, not blocking any of my gauges. It's working great overall. Very sleek, good solution. Have your phone where you need it, or if you have your CarPlay or anything, even in your sports car. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.